Hey, what's up guys? Omar here, broker and CEO of Alden Mortgage and Ome Realty. So this is gonna be your mortgage rate update. We have a new guideline from Freddie Mac where you could actually use your rental income to go ahead and qualify for a mortgage product. This is something new that's been going on that kind of been laxing the whole entire guidelines to try to get more improvement. The 30-year mortgage-backed securities, people are actually starting to buy it a little bit. I don't know what the hell they're thinking, but I guess trading is trading. And then another layoff on a Plano, Texas-based lender, guaranteed. They are actually laying people off. First Guaranteed cut 75% of its workforce. Now, how many people are going to be affected? And the total amount of home sales that have decreased as of April. You know, it's going to take until July before we get the next numbers in, but that's we're going to go over those numbers. But let's go ahead and get on with the mortgage rate update. We're going to be pricing out 10 different mortgaging products: a 30-year fixed, a 15-year fixed, a 30-year jumbo, a debt service covered ratio loan, which is an investor loan. Debt service covered ratio loan is just one of those loans that where it's a no income, no asset, non-owner occupied product, where your debt, the total amount of principal, interest, tax, and insurance is going to cover the total amount it's servicing. So it's a debt service covered ratio. Now, what that means is that the principal, tax, and insurance that you have, is that going to be covered by the amount of rental cost, which or the rental income that's coming in, the servicing, if that's going to go ahead and cover it. Bank statement loan, FHA 30-year, 7.6 adjustable rate mortgage, overnight financing rate, USDA 30-year fix, which is one of those 0% mortgaging products, VA 30-year fix, which is another 0% down mortgaging rate, and then the hard money fix and flips. Hard money line, hard money is a very important thing in as far as investing world goes. What the rates are going, and these are for mostly people who try to get into the investing world where they want to go ahead and buy a distressed property and they could go ahead and fix and flip it. So let's go ahead and get on with the mortgage rate update. The 30-year fix will be sitting at 4.80 from the previous market day. It's actually down. Everything is down from 4.85%. 15-year fix will be sitting at 4.05%, which from yesterday, previous market day, at 4.13. 30-year jumbo will be sitting at 5.48% from previous day of 5.55%. Debt service covered ratio, DSCR loan, will be sitting at 8.45%, which is lower than the previous market day of 8.50. Bank statement loan is lower at 7.40% from the previous 7.45% of the previous market day. The FHA 30-year will be sitting at 4.15%. That is lower than the previous market day at 4.20%. 7.6 adjustable rate mortgage is going to be lower at 4.96% from the previous market day at 4.98%. USDA 30-year fix will be sitting at 4.15% from the previous day market day of 4.20%. VA 30-year fix will be sitting at 4.80% from the previous market day of 4.85%, and the hard money fix and flip will be sitting at 9.25, which is no change from the previous market day of 9.25%. Now, Freddie Mac is going to go ahead and start allowing us as mortgage brokers, myself as a mortgage broker, to go ahead and use rent to go ahead and qualify you as far as, you know, whatever trade lines that you might have as of July 1st, 2020. Now, Freddie Mac on Wednesday announced that it will make it possible to submit loans for an automated underwriting system based on 12 months of on-time rental payments starting as of July 10th, 2020. Now, what is an automated underwriting system? So here, in California, I am a mortgage broker. As a mortgage broker, we go ahead and pre-populate all your information, and when we pre-populate all your information, we'll go ahead and put it through something that's called an automated underwriting system. Now, this automated underwriting system connects to your credit application. Your credit application will go ahead and let us know, is the ratios good? Is everything qualifying for this mortgage product to go ahead and get you into these mortgaging products? Now, that's going to be on the Freddie Mae, Fannie Mac, on the qualified mortgage side. Now, a lot of these other mortgage products that we have is a non-qualified mortgaging product, which is going to be your hard money fix and flips. That's going to be your bank statements, your DSCRs. These are non-qualified mortgages, so they're not going to be really too hard keen on those. But that's going to be that. So let's get out this plug too. For up to 50% commission rebate, 0% listing on selling your current home or any mortgage assistance, link in the description below. God knows that every single person is going to need a little bit of money back to go ahead and get yourself into the new home. But mortgage-backed securities, so mortgage-backed security is just that. It is a mortgage-backed security that's tradable in the secondary market. This is a bond. A bond just means a debt. A debt is something that is traded. Now everybody trades every single thing. It's a big betting platform. It's like the horse races. You go to the stock market, you could bet on whatever you want to go ahead and bet. It actually took a little bit of an uptick at 99.86. So it's trading at $99.86. That is 0.22% better than it was yesterday. Now, as far as layoffs go, now layoffs has been a really, really big thing in the real estate industry, especially when it comes to Redfin has been laying people off, Zillow's been laying people off, Better.com has been laying people off, JP Morgan Chase. They're actually doing a really good thing where they're reassigning people on their lending platforms, where they're like on their lending side of their banking, where they're just reassigning them to different mortgage, or not mortgaging product, but reassigning them to different parts of the banking system, because you know they're trying to counter the whole entire. It's like if they're gonna go ahead and lay people off, that's gonna be detrimental to a lot of people, and they don't want to do that. Jamie Dimon, he's a pretty good dude, a really good CEO, and he's trying to do right by his employees, and by doing right by his employees, he's just reassigning them to go ahead and make sure that they have a place to go ahead and stay, have a job, and they're going to get covered. But this Plano, Texas-based lender is disclosed that out of 565 employees, they are letting go 428%, which is about 75% of their whole entire workforce that they're dumping. Now everybody is kind of on this, like rates are just killing everybody. Every single person out there is getting just completely crapped on with these rates, and because the total purchase price and refinance market, which refinance market was the biggest driving force in the past couple of years, has dropped so dramatically. Like you're going by 100 loans a month, 200 loans a month, 300 loans a month, and some of them are in the thousands. They're dropping all so dramatically that, you know, you just can't cover the amount that it's just too much overhead. You can't keep these people employed if you're not bringing any money in, so they have no choice but to go ahead and let go. But as of April 2022, the total housing sales have dropped from 763,000 in March to the April of 591,000, which is 27.66% decrease year over year, and then 22.54% from the previous year. But that's going to be your mortgage rate update. That's going to be what's going on in the world of real estate, how much homes have decreased in pricing, and for up to 50% commission rebate, once again, 0% listing on selling your current home or any mortgage assistance. Link in the description below. If you like the content, like, subscribe, comment, help somebody to help somebody else out, or whatever it is, because real estate companies like me do not do a lot of these things that I do, giving so much money back. So help a friend, help somebody out. Until next video, guys, I really appreciate you watching. Peace.